So for many years, Crown Publications has been releasing handbooks. And this month, in the August edition, we're releasing another handbook. And this is the Handbook on Industrial Communications. And with me, I've got the compiler of that handbook, Alan Clark. Now, the first thing I want to check, Alan, is just explain a little bit to us about where we are and what this means in the context of industrial communications.
Industrial communications has largely moved into a wireless space, which I think is very often misunderstood. We are standing in an anechoic chamber which is designed to absorb electromagnetic radiation. This is where we test antenna performance, characteristics of such beasts, and how it will eventually replace the cable. And hopefully what the handbook has been looking at is attempting to get an understanding of what the issues are, because the antenna does not simply replace the cable.
So what are the trends? I mean, you're quite right in the sense that over the years we've seen from relay logic to computerized networks, lots of copper in cable, lots of copper in industry, and now we're removing that copper. What are the biggest challenges that people face as they look towards a wireless connectivity in an industrial environment?
Signals in copper tend to stay there. Signals in wireless tend to go everywhere or nowhere. And both of those issues are a problem, obviously. So everywhere, we're looking at security, which, we seriously need to look at security in a very different way than we have in a standard wired approach to life. Going nowhere, of course, you don't expect that of a piece of wire. If you put a piece of wire down, you expect it to go from A to B. In a wireless case, this is not in fact true, because you might have a cabinet in a way, or you may in fact have very bad communication situations between point A and B.
Well, this is all in the handbook and we're looking forward to it. I think that most people who are in that handbook are working in the space, seeing the translation of the wired environment into the wireless environment and dealing with all the challenges associated with it. Thank you very much.